$3.51 Canadian money. This is Canadian Coke. Very expensive.
Magkano kaya
I don't know in dollars.
ang value dito ng
Canadian machine. And then let's sit down and eat the chips. Ah, wow. Nire-organize sila din, no?
kaya pala ayaw nila
Magpa-under. Oh, yeah.
galit na galit siya. Sabi ni Trump na, yes, kasi at saka